Ginger has been used for thousands of years both as a condiment and in order to cure several diseases. Its popularity has increased over the last few years, and it has been used as an ingredient in various home remedies. It's an anti-inflammatory, it aids digestion, relieves nausea, helps prevent colds and the flu. It is also an analgesic and cardiotonic. Basically, ginger is a plant that can help us both when we're sick and when we're healthy, so it's important that we learn how to use it in order to benefit from all of its properties. If you have stomach problems, body aches or even asthma, ginger oil could greatly help you. Ginger oil improves circulation, has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, analgesic, digestive and expectorant properties. Here are some of its benefits. Stomach problems: it can treat dyspepsia, spasms, flatulence, and poor digestion. Furthermore, ginger oil is great at improving your appetite. Stretch marks: because of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidants properties, ginger oil improves blood circulation and helps damaged skin to restore itself. If you use coconut oil, the result will be even better. All you have to do is rub some oil on the affected area and massage it in softly. Breathing problems such as bronchitis, sleep apnea, the flu, and asthma can be treated using ginger oil. Furthermore, it can get rid of all the mucus in your lungs and throat pain, in order to lessen the pain of arthritis, back pain, stomach aches, muscular pains and the pain that comes from bad circulation. You can use ginger oil. Did you like learning more about its benefits? Learn how to make this miracle oil at home. Ingredients: 1 piece of fresh ginger, about the size of your index finger, 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Instructions: wash the ginger well, then let it sit and dry for 2 hours. While it dries, put the oil in a dish that can be put in the oven in a water bath. After 2 hours, grate the ginger. Once that is done, mix it with the olive oil and stir well. Then, cook it in a water bath in the oven for an hour. Once the time is up, strain the oil in order to remove the whole ginger pieces. You can do that by running it through a cloth and then squeezing it to remove all of the oil. Store the oil in a dry, clean jar. It will be good for 6 months. Use 1 or 2 drops of ginger oil to revitalize your mind and boost your body's energy levels by dissolving a few drops in a glass of water and drinking it. Relieve arthritis, back pain and muscle pains, by massaging the area with the oil. Lessen flatulence and improve diarrhea, by applying it to the abdomen. Lessen throat pains and sinusitis, by inhaling 1 or 2 drops with a diffuser.
I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.